So welcome to this week's Outfits of the Week. We're starting off this week on a Monday and I'm heading into the studio. So I'm just wearing these jeans that I thrifted by Isabel Marant. This thrifted kind of, windbreaker type of jacket. It's kind of nice for the summer. I've got on some ballet flats from Dune. And I think my top is originally Zara, and then the really fun glasses are Ganni. This is a studio day, so just kind of nice and casual for a day of work. So if you're new here, I make these outfit of the week videos every week, just documenting what I'm wearing into the studio or at the weekend. I also make then my weekly studio vlogs of running a small sustainable fashion business. So yeah, if you're interested in anything kind of slow or sustainable fashion, it'd be great if you could subscribe. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, just getting ready to go into the studio. Put on this combo of these socks with these sandals. I really like that. I have on like a denim crop. I'll show you when I'm out and about, but yeah, just gonna leave and head into the studio now. So because the weather was nice today, I really wanted to go for something a little bit fun and colourful and kind of summery. So yeah, this skirt that I've on is actually a dress. I thrifted it last summer, and yeah, I've just got it worn like a skirt because it's kind of like scrunchy elastic on top. So yeah, I just have it on my waist. And then my really fun socks are from ASOS last year, I think maybe. My sandals are my Ganni sandals that I wear all the time. The cardigan's thrifted, it's originally from Gap and it's like a cotton, so it's really nice and light for summer. And then the denim waistcoat I just cropped myself. I actually think it was originally a denim jacket and I just got rid of the sleeves and the bottom. Yeah, so it's like a little cropped waistcoat for summer. And the bag is originally from River Island. I thrifted that maybe last year, and yeah, I think it always brings like something else to an outfit. So yeah, that was my look for today. Okay, I'm just in the studio now and I thought I would show you. I got a few bits on the way in, so I thought I'd show you quickly now. And this is the outfit, by the way. I think I showed you earlier. So first up, I got this top. It looks like kind of vintage River Island. Yeah, I think it looks like old River Island. But yeah, it's really sweet. It's got a little stain here, but I'm just going to bleach that out. And it's got like this kind of baby doll. And then this really lovely back. Look, these flares by Motel. I think they're going to be nice on. This is the best find. It is it's really beautifully cut dress with like a fishtail kind of end to it. It's so gorgeous. I've never heard of that brand before, but yeah, really gorgeous piece. And can't wait to try that on. I'll see, I got these jeans with all this kind of patchwork detail, and they are by Polo Raffarin. The Aster Slim Boyfriend, so really excited to try them too. Obsessed with this dress. Oh my god, I can't believe I found this. It's so gorgeous. Let me show you. Look at the end on that dress. It's so stunning. It's so stunning. Obviously not with these shoes. I don't think I've ever made a better find. I love this so much. The top, so cute. So the next day was another studio day, and it was raining again, which seems to be most of July. So I really wanted to wear this skirt that I got a while back, but I decided to wear it with jeans, which is kind of one of my favourite combinations, doing like a skirt with jeans or trousers. And I have it on with this hand knit jumper that I thrifted a while back, the River Island bag that I had on yesterday, and my Ghani sandals. Yeah, and this was just another outfit for heading into the studio. So the next day I took a trip outside of Dublin. So this was the outfit I chose to wear. It was sunny today, or at least warm. So I went for the skirt that I thrifted a while back. It's kind of like a brown, I'd say early 2000s style skirt. The peach blouse is thrifted, and so is the kind of lace floral top. Yeah, I thought the combination of these colours went really well together. I made the scrunchie that's in my hair, and then I brought my APC tote bag. It's one of those bags that like folds up inside like another bag, but it holds so much, and yeah, I love bringing this out. I think I really like the addition of this bag to an outfit. Yeah, so that was my outfit for the day. And then over the weekend, I was at another market, so this is what I wore for that day. My quilted pink jacket is thrifted. I think it looks really like a Miu Miu jacket that I've seen on eBay before, but this is just like a thrifted vintage jacket. Then I have on this top that I thrifted a while back. My tulle skirt is from Topshop from a good few years ago at this stage. And my jeans I made myself. They're just screen printed with my design. Yeah, and then I just have on some trainers. So yeah, this was my outfit for a day at a market. And then we're back to the start of the week. So this is another Monday, and it was raining again. So I have on this raincoat that I think it's from New Look, but I got it on Depop. I wanted it for so long and I finally tracked it down. I love when like a transparent raincoat like has a pattern, and then you can wear something underneath and kind of change up what it looks like. And then this skirt is, I think I thrifted it maybe in the last outfits of the week. It's just a stripy skirt. I think it's really nice for summer. And my glasses are ASOS, I think. And then this is going to be the final look for this week's video. So this outfit is kind of a casual one because again, just walking into the studio. So my jumper is H&M. Yeah, and these cords are like such a good fit. They're like this kind of thick corduroy, and they've got like a real slouchy, comfortable feel. Yeah, I thrifted them a while back, and then when I looked them up online, they're actually quite expensive. I'll leave it here if you want to check out the brand. So it is Tuesday today, just on my way to the studio. I've got like my cords on, this jumper, it's so comfy. I think it's from H&M. My APC bag. Yeah. So I'll try and get a photo for you in my usual spot. It's actually nice today. It's the 1st of August, so hopefully we'll have an August without rain in comparison to July. So yeah, I'll show you my outfit in a sec. Yeah, so that's going to be it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these outfits. A few of you have asked me to kind of talk in more
detail about my outfits, and I'm going to do my best going forward to kind of take some more time to talk about maybe how I put together an outfit. I suppose right now I'm still just figuring out the right format. And if you enjoy this kind of content, it would be great if you could subscribe or give me a like. Anything like that is really much appreciated. So I will catch you in either my next studio vlog or my next outfits of the week. Okay, cool. Bye.